This video, we're going to talk about 17.1 Objective 1. We're going to use various notations to represent points, lines, line segments, rays, planes, and angles. This is the beginning of Chapter 17, where we're starting to talk about some geometry. So we've kind of gotten out of some of our algebra topics now, and we are into our geometry topics. So the first one is to name the line in 3 different ways. Any 2 points on the line will do to name the line, but the symbol for a line is right here, where it shows that it goes infinitely in both directions. This first one is the symbol for a line segment. That's not what we wanted. Second one is a symbol for a ray, which only goes infinitely in one direction. That's not what we wanted. And the last one is some symbols for angles, and that's just completely wrong because you need either just the vertex of the angle or you have 3 points to tell you in an angle you don't have 2 points like that. So that's wrong notation. Now we want a line segment with endpoints A and C. So that's like this. It also could have gone the other way from C to A, but that's line segment notation. Next, we have the question, is WX the same as WY? Why or why not? So WX and WY do lie on the same line. So yes, they're the same because I can use any 2 points on the line to name the line. Now they give us 2 parallel lines and they're saying assume that they're parallel. We haven't done anything to prove that they're parallel, but they're telling us AB and CD are parallel lines. What do we know about them in 2 dimensions here? Right, like this, they'll never intersect. Perfect. And that's how you know you've drawn parallel lines, as they stay the same distance away from each other. Now we're going to start to talk about angles, and we can write the name of the angle so that the vertex is in the center. So J is at the vertex, it's going to have to stay in the center. So we can have HJK, or we can have KJH, are the 2 correct ways to name that angle. I could also just call it angle 1, since they put a 1 in there. So I could have angle 1, or I could call it angle J, since it's the only angle with a vertex at J, and those would be shorthand. But as far as using letters here, we want to make sure that J, our vertex of our angle, stays in the center. I think that was it. Yep, that's it. So we'll come back next time and talk about 17.1 Objective 2. See you for the next video.